Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be making slime. So if you guys kind of saw this behind me, that's because I am making slime, and that's why I have the little table up, okay? So let's go and make slime. Okay, first what you need to make with it is you need a bowl to make it while stirring it. And then you need a stick to stir it with. Then you need glue. And then you need borax. I think I need to stir it a little more. Not too sure because it looks like kind of weird. Oh well, let's see if it works. But if it don't work, I'm still going to post it. Okay? Okay, so first you're going to need to take off the cap, set it up here, and then I know my hair is kind of messed up. Okay, so we're gonna open the bottom, pour it. I'm not gonna make very much, cause like. Put more. Look, you guys, I'm almost out. I'm gonna make some more next time, or I'll probably just have to buy a new one. Okay, that's good. I wonder. Just. Okay, there. That's good. Okay, so now that we're done with that in, should we add some color? We should add some color, right? Okay, now I'm gonna put this up here. I'm gonna go get the color. I still see my shadows in my room. Okay, so here's the color. What should we do? Red or yellow or green? I'm gonna go with red. Okay, so wait, we don't have no more red. We have a little bit. I could try that maybe. Okay, now I am going to put on music, and while I put on music, I am. Okay, so now I am going to pour in the borax, okay?